Hello everyone, thank you for being here in the QA Tech Talk 2021. My name is Dinesh and today I'm going to share the importance of common goal across quality assurance engineering team. So we all know the importance of goal setting and the importance of goal tracking and how to achieve the goal. So these are the various phases that goal setting, goal tracking and goal achieving the goal. But we all do that in the various tools that is used by the organization like Workday, where it is quite important to set the goal as per the job role and responsibilities, so that our day-to-day work must be aligned with that goal which is set prior to the financial year or prior to the performance review cycle, and it can be updated as per the role changed during the year. But to have a common goal is also important, and across the team there must be one common goal, and that common goal is to achieve the quality for other quality assurance engineers like us. So that quality, achieving the quality starts from the requirement analysis itself. So whenever customer has some idea, they have reached out to the product management team or any internal stakeholder reached out to the product management or the business analyst team, and that is being gathered, that is the requirement gathering, and then after that the requirement analysis becomes phase comes, where the quality assurance team must be involved and to identify the business use cases, that what customer is going to be do with the product or with the new feature that is being there in the product. So always that is the starting point, and that is the set goal setting period, where the test strategy and test plan must be decided, how the testing is going to be carried out, whether all the functional and non-functional testing is going to be carried out or not. So ideally it should be carried out, and definitely that's the initial phase. And then when it is come to the goal execution, that is the tracking of the goal, and that is comes in the test execution part. And so whether all the test cases is been executed or not, whether all the test cases which has been executed manually can be automated or not, to avoid or to reduce the regression cycle and the sanity cycle. So that is also quite important. And whether all the test cases which is being executed are falling aligned with the business use case or not. So like traceability metrics, whenever the map is proper or not, so that decides the whether your goal is going in a forward direction, so whether you can achieve that goal or not. So basically that is the goal tracking phase, and whenever all the tracking, all the testing is completed, so at that point we cannot say that goal has been achieved. So goal can only be achieved when customer do the use the product, and customer came up that yes, it is a quality product and there is no such issue. All my business use cases I can achieve with this product or with this feature that is being that is there in the product. So that is the goal achievement. So for us, the customer satisfaction, the quality end result in the quality point of view is always a goal achievement. So so it is quite important to do the testing in all the types of stages. That means all the types of environment, like staging environment, dev or test environment, then production environment. So everything is needs to be done, and we can say that yes, the goal is achieved, and the testing has been got done successfully. There is no such high priority, high severity issues, or we can say that all the business use cases that what customer is looking to do, those has been achieved. And this is basically the cycle of the goal. And why I'm mentioning that common goal is quite important. So let's say in a project, there are five quality assurance professional who has been involved to test that feature or test that product. So everyone have some different modules, or everyone has some different types of testing they need to be performed. But it is does not matter who is performing what, who is doing who is reporting bugs, or who is reported how many defects, or anyone is reported the high severity, high priority defect, or any block or defect. So that does not matter for an organization. For an organization, it is always the quality output. So do not think about only one individual module, and rather than, it is quite important to think about the entire product, the end-to-end business use cases, the end-to-end flow of the test case. So that is important, and that is the end result, that is the quality, that we can say that yes, the quality has been achieved because end-to-end use cases has been working successfully or properly, it is working as expected. So that is all. Now, why common goal is quite important across the QA team, rather than having some individual goal that yes, I will do this module and complete the testing with 100% accuracy. So that cannot be done as long as you are not doing end-to-end testing. So basically, this is the importance of the common goal, which will definitely going to take you forward in this testing journey for any product or services. So thank you for listening to me. We'll meet again. Again, I will come with any other topics. So thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye. Have a great day. Stay safe. Take care.